Problem number 14. Happy Super Bowl Sunday. Today is actually February 2nd for this recording, 2020. It's Kansas City versus San Francisco in a couple hours. So we're going to watch the Super Bowl, have fun. If you're watching this recording another day, time, year, well, you know what? That was today. Here we go. Number 14. Measurement and data, number 14. Decide whether each measurement, inches, feet, is equal to 5 yards. Remember, this is math, and measurement and data, we are just converting measurements. So let's identify the key words. We're measuring yards, which actually ties in nicely to football. 1 yard is 3 feet. Select yes or no for each measurement. So what's cut off here is meant. Okay? All right, so here we go. We have yards, inches, feet. So let's go with this. What do we know? I know that 12 inches equals 1 foot. Remember, another way to write inches, you could write down 12 IN dot equals 1 FT dot. When we take notes, when we write, we want to get faster, so we abbreviate. What else do I know? I know that 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. Okay, I'll rewrite this one again. 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. So you just need to memorize those. Okay, in class we measured everybody's shoe size and in inches. We found a lot were 9, 10, 11. Mr. D's was exactly 12 inches or 1 foot. And then in the world of football, to get that first down, 10 yards or 30 feet would be a first down. Okay? So if you don't know this, you're in trouble. Memorize it. 12 inches, 1 foot. 12 inches, 1 foot. 12 inches, 1 foot. 3 feet, 1 yard, 3 feet, 1 yard, 3 feet, 1 yard. Most likely, if you say it 30 to 36 times out loud, it will stick in your long-term memory. And then say it again the next 30 days. Okay, so here we go. We have in inches, feet. We have yards. So we will convert 5 yards. And we are going to make that into how many feet? Well, if I know 3 feet is 1 yard, 5 yards would be 5 times 3, which is 15 feet. Okay? And I'm going to take all this and put it way over here. So, steps. Step number 1. 5 yards times 3 feet equals 15 feet. Okay. Look, right away, that's one of our answers. Answer. So I'll put that in green. So I know 5 yards is equal to 15 feet. Next up, I need to take the 15 feet times 12 inches. And why would I do that? For every foot is 12 inches. So this goes way back to Unit 2, where I am just going to do area model. Okay? Up here, I'll put the 10 and the 5. Here, the 10 and the 2. Remember, 10 plus 5 is 15. 10 plus 2 is 12. Forgot this? Go back to Unit 2 recordings. In this box, I will take 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100. In this box is 10 times 5. I take this number times this number, which is 50. The reason why we like area model is we get to small digits and there's zeros. Down here in this box, this is 2 times 10. 2 times 10 is 20. And then in this box, we take 2 times 5. I'm going to write it in here. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, and then remember in our steps for area model, you just add all these. A lot of kids now can do it mentally, which is awesome, but let's still show our work. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 8, 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8, and then 1. This would be 180 inches. And look, there is 180 inches right over there for an answer. So I will put that in blue, which means that last box, 108 inches, is no. Because we just proved that 5 yards is 15 feet, therefore 15 feet times 12 is 180 inches. Okay, so just to go from yards to inches, you need to do a step in between yards to feet first, and then from feet to inches. So here's our answer. Now the rest of the problem, you would actually see this, but as stated in previous recordings, if you show all your work and solve this table, when you look at the answers, you will see right away that it's answer D. Okay? So in the end, this problem, even though it only says number 14, it's still 1, 2, 3 problems. You need to memorize information beforehand, and then you need to do several steps to make sure you get all the possible answers and to eliminate a possible answer. So to end the problem, 108 inches, no. 180 inches, yes. 15 feet, yes. 5 yards is equal to 15 feet. 15 feet, when you convert it to inches, you take it times 12. Area model style, we get 180 inches. Have a fun time watching the Super Bowl if you're watching it today. Still study. Make sure you read every day. I don't care if it's the holidays, your birthday, whenever. You always want to read at least 20 minutes a day and then practice your math. Okay? Have a good Sunday. Adios.